In this video, we shall solve the exponential equation 4 to the power of x equaling to 7 to the power of x plus 3. Now from the rules of exponents, whenever you have a to the power of b times a to the power of c, this is the same as a to the power of b plus c. Therefore this can also be written as this. So we shall express this in the same way. This will give us 4 to the power of x equaling to 7 to the power of x times 7 to the power of 3. And at this point, let's divide through by 7 to the power of x. This will cancel with that. And so we shall have 4 to the power of x divided by 7 to the power of x equaling to 7 to the power of 3, which can also be written as 4 divided by 7 raised to the power of x equaling to 7 to the power of 3. And at this point, let's introduce log base 4 divided by 7 on both sides. So we shall have log base 4 divided by 7 of 4 divided by 7 raised to the power of x equaling to log base 4 divided by 7 of 7 to the power of 3. And from the rules of logarithms, we can take this x to the front and also this 3 to the front. This will give us x times log base 4 divided by 7 of 4 divided by 7 equaling to 3 times log base 4 divided by 7 of 7. And from the rules of logarithms, whenever you have log base a of a, this will be equal to 1. So as long as this is the same as this, then the function will be equal to 1. Similarly, if you have, let's say, log base a of b, this is the same as log of b divided by log of a. So we shall have x times 1 equaling to 3 times log of 7 divided by log of 4 divided by 7. And if you put this in the calculator, you'll get x approximately negative 10.43. Now let's check and see if this answer is correct. If we put in negative 10.43 into this equation, we shall have 4 to the power of negative 10.43 equaling to 7 to the power of negative 10.43 and then plus 3. And this will give us 4 to the power of negative 10.43 equaling to 7 to the power of negative 7.43. And from the rules of exponents, we can take this to the bottom and the negative exponents will become positive. So we shall have 1 divided by 4 to the power of 10.43 equaling to 1 divided by 7 to the power of 7.43. And if you put this in the calculator, you will get 5.254 equaling to 5.259. And as you can see, the left hand side is the same as the right hand side. So our answer is correct. So that's how you can solve such an exponential equation. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.